Hey guys, my name is Dimitri, and this is a video for new arrival at Car City Inc. It's 2006 Lexus RX 340 all-wheel drive, and like I said, it is a local trade. You guys not gonna believe it's got 240,000 miles, but if you looking at it in real life, and I think on this video as well, I mean, you can see. I mean, it's in very good shape, no problems at all, no warning lights. I know that the timing belt been done last year, like 15,000 miles ago, and again, it's looks and drives great. You know, I mean, we did oil change, we did our inspection, and it's a good example of nice Japanese vehicles. And if they in the right hands, they can drive. Just do your maintenance, change your oil and brakes, tires, rims in good condition. And let's guys look inside. And again, you know, if you maintain your vehicles, I mean, they're gonna give it back to you, especially Japanese one. And the interior looks great. No problem with the leather seats. There is heated seats as well. There is radio, climate control. Again, 235,000 miles, but it sounds like it's new. No problems. It's got a cruise control, power windows and locks, memory seats, all in working condition. And yeah, look at it. It's in mint shape. I mean, if you're looking for vehicle for all-wheel drive car, nice wood trim, for the reasonable price, at least it's for 5,900, so very affordable. All the floor mats here, covers all here, power lift gate is working. Yeah, I mean, if you're looking for something cheaper, maybe for your kid, maybe for your parents, or maybe for somebody who doesn't drive a lot, I mean, here we go. All-wheel drive SUV, nice looking one. Let's look on engine. Sounds beautiful. Again, the timing belt been done at 214,000. I don't see any leaks, nothing there, all good. Yeah, ready to go. Nice SUV. Not gonna be here for a long time. Just give us a call if you have any questions. Schedule test drive, and yeah, you can drive it for probably a few more years at least. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.